make money online. Basically, you really only need 3 things that is going to start you whatever it is that you want to do in life as far as making money online goes. And the quicker you can just grasp what I'm about to say, the better off you're truly going to be in making and being successful, right? Because you're looking at this video today because you want to learn how to make money online and you want to learn how to be successful at it. My income streams didn't start picking up until I did all 3 that I'm about to list for you right now. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is buy a course. Okay, now I talk about in my 10-day challenge below, which is free. I definitely recommend that you take a look at it because it's going to get you in the right mind space for anything you want to do in life and accomplish in life. But I always say you need to act like you're a millionaire, okay? You need to behave like you're a millionaire. And I say that to say, when you're learning about this online space, you can't come at it being like penny pinching and trying to like put all the pieces together just from free YouTube videos. There is a reason why people make courses. At the end of the day, accept that you don't know how to make money online. So buy a course from someone who does know how to make money online. Buy a course that is like one of the best to get into. And I actually I joined this program down below. I'm an affiliate of this program because it's just that good. And so I highly recommend check it out, the program down below that I use to learn how to make money online. But at the end of the day, you need to be taught what you're doing. And I had to grasp that. And I finally, in the moment I released that negative talk, like, I could do it by myself. I don't need to be taught, And the moment I started kind of behaving like a millionaire, I'm like, oh, boom, $300, I got it, let me get a course. $30, I got it, let me get a course. And what happens when you do that, now you're getting, like, not only are you getting knowledge, but you're seeing people do it. They're teaching you from start to finish, the nuts and bolts that you need, the little, just the little things that you don't think about, that people don't talk about on YouTube videos. You're getting it from A to Z. So I highly recommend get a course, whatever type of passive income stream you're trying to get into online, get a course. If you want to learn so the course that I promote, and it's down below, and it teaches you just this on how to dominate on the online space, whatever it is, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. It is the full how to run traffic, lead generation, like everything you need is in the description down below. So definitely check it out. It is probably one of the best schools out there when it comes down to making money online. So definitely get a course, okay? Seriously. And if you want to learn about Amazon FBA or something like that, get an Amazon FBA course. If you want to learn about Shopify, get a Shopify course. If you want to learn just in general how to make money online the right way, get a course. Okay, next is you need to apply it. And I'm saying this because most people, we get courses, and I was that person. I didn't understand why I would buy a course and I did not apply it. How many times, like the best example I can give is like you at the gym. You know how many people get gym memberships and never go to the gym? Like, so once you get the course, apply the course. The course is designed for you to win, okay? Actually finish the course and apply it. Now what I did, which helped me tremendously, is after I would learn something new, I would immediately apply it before I went to the next module, okay? So that way, not only are you taking the course, you're building your own business. So by the time you're done with the course, you have a fully running and functioning business, okay? So I highly recommend, after you get a course, apply what you're learning in the course as you are taking it. Apply it. You can do it. And if something in your mind right now is telling you can't do it, or is giving you a reason why you can't do it, that is your subconscious mind backing you out of it, because your subconscious mind is trained to keep you safe and to keep you in your comfort zone. So I know my mind, even though something in me kept saying, you can do this, at that time, that subconscious mind telling me I can't do it, Like, this is too hard. It won't work for me. I hope it works for me. Like, what? That's insane now. I would never say that or think that regarding any type of money vehicle I ever go into, that I can't do it, right? So don't get discouraged when you see people making money. You also can make money, because if God did it for them, he can absolutely do it for you. I love seeing people make money online, because I'm like, yes, little do they know, I'm about to out earn that person. Okay, try me, boo. Okay, so second thing is apply whatever course you're taking, apply it. And lastly, and this is the most important, is believe. And I think I just basically said it. Believe that you can make money with this passive income stream, okay? I need you to seriously stop what you're doing. Whatever you decide to get into, literally stop what you're doing, close your eyes, and imagine and believe that, yo, you're going to make millions with this. It's not enough to just get the course and apply it, because your headspace got to be right. And any book you pick up, they talk about the power of the mind, why your headspace has to be right. When your headspace is right, everything you touch turns to gold. Like everything. Like you can't go wrong if your mind is right. And that's why I always try to lead with, where is your mind at before you're buying all these courses. So hopefully I'm saving you a couple $100 just by saying, get your mind right first, and then go after the passive income streams, then go after the course, because now you're gonna look at it a whole nother level. Like, I'm about to dominate. Okay, so that's all I got for you today. If you are struggling with number 3, the belief, that's where I got you, because I'm gonna be a one-stop shop for everything you need to succeed in life. I'm gonna have some money stuff for you. I'm gonna have some mindset stuff for you. I'm gonna have some motivation stuff for you. I'm gonna have some lifestyle, marriage, kids. I'm the one-stop shop, baby. So don't forget to hit subscribe and click on the bell. But I too struggled with the mind thing. I didn't even know like what was happening. So I basically went on this journey, and in this journey I talk about law of attraction, how it changed my life, kind of what I learned, all this stuff that's in the Bible about the power of positive thinking, the books that I require and I ask you guys to read in my 10-day challenge literally will give you everything you need to succeed in every area of your life, including your income streams, okay? So I just would ask, like, if you want to get your mind right, and if your subconscious mind right now is telling you, Brianna, or she's dumb, she lost her mind, it will never work, listen to that voice in the back of your head. Everyone has one. And that is your subconscious mind talking. Like, that is. You don't even know that your subconscious mind is literally leading and guiding everything you do. Every action you take is being run by the part of the brain you don't even control, or aren't even aware you have control over. So let's reprogram your mindset for success. I invite you to take a look at my challenge down below. If you're interested in learning how to make money online using the program that changed my life, it is a high ticket affiliate marketing program. I'm gonna leave that link down below too. Basically, you got this, okay? Get a course, apply what you learn in the course, and believe you're gonna dominate whatever that thing is, and you will. That's all I got for you today. Have an awesome, well, that's all I got for you today. Have a great day, I guess. Bye.